Broccoli-Shrimp Lasagna. This recipe is for a 3-quart pan. And you need about 6 uncooked noodles, 1 pound of broccoli, tablespoons of margarine or butter, 1/4 cup of flour. Then there's my salt, 1/4 of salt, and the dry mustard. Because I don't have dry mustard, I'm using prepared mustard. I used 1 tablespoon. And then there is my thyme leaves. You can also have crushed red peppers. You can use green onions. You use 2½ cups of milk, 4 ounces of Monterey Jack, about 2 to 2½ cups of cheddar cheese, pre-cooked shrimp. In this pan, I have the melted margarine, which is 3 tablespoons. Of course, I'm doubling the recipe. And it's already melted. I'm going to add the flour, the onion, the salt. There's the salt. Mix that all in. And the mustard. And I'm going to stir this really good. I'm going to put this on the stove and add the flour and the milk gradually. Add the milk and the flour a little bit at a time until it becomes thickened, and that will happen once it balls a little bit. Sauce has bubbled, and if you notice, it's getting thick. So I'm going to add the Monterey Jack cheese. I'm going to stir that in. Adding a little bit and stirring it will stop it from clunking. Use an ungreased pan and line it with sauce, and then add your layer of noodles. Noodles was cooked according to the instructions on the box, and then al dente, and then placed in cold water until ready to layer in the lasagna pan. Then I'm laying my cooked broccoli, and I'm only using the crowns because I don't like the stems, but you could go ahead and use the stems. And I'm breaking mine up to smaller pieces to spread out over the first layer of the lasagna. And now I'm going to add the first layer of cheddar cheese. Now I'm going to add some more sauce. And then shrimp. I use 1 pack of large shrimp because when you cook them, they go down to a medium. And just keep on repeating the layers until you're done. I'm going to put it in the oven, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for 30 to 35 minutes. Then I'm going to let it stand out and let it stand for 10 minutes. We'll see how it looks. Yummy, yummy. Broccoli shrimp lasagna.